Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. You can call or text us at 647-400-3081.
Meet the CoolMax helmet liner skull cap from Gears, your ultimate solution for a more comfortable and enjoyable ride, no matter your choice of Powersports or snow sports. This is not just any skull cap. It is crafted with quick-drying CoolMax fabric, specially designed to wick moisture away from your skin. This means, as you ride your motorcycle, ATV, dirt bike, snowmobile, or snowboard, you will stay cool and dry, free from the discomfort of sweat under your helmet. But that is not all. We all know how frustrating it can be when earbuds fall out during your ride. That is why our skull cap is a game changer for music lovers. It secures your earbuds in place so you can enjoy your favorite tunes without interruption. Comfort is key in Powersports, and our helmet liner skull cap delivers just that. It features a comfort band and four-way stretch, ensuring a snug yet comfortable fit for all head shapes and sizes. And with flat seams, you won't experience any pinching, binding, hot spots, or pressure points. One size fits all, and available in black, this skull cap is a versatile and comfortable solution for all riders. Whether you are taking a long tour or hitting the trails, it is an essential accessory.
Remember, all Gears products come with an ironclad 1-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Add to cart and go seize your adventure.